Welcome back, welcome to the Wheeland Racing channel. I'm Tyson Wheeland, and we're going to discuss what the last week looked like for training. So, like I mentioned, we are kind of getting back into a roll of things, and so naturally for me, it's just like, let's get some more baselines and see where we're really at. And so we went and we did Bix with the team with RynoVelo, and that was fun. It was a little bit slower than I maybe anticipated, but you know, I was happy that I put myself out there, even though I knew my fitness wasn't quite there, and finished 75th and 38:46, I think. So I was roughly 2 minutes slower than last year, and I was 12th last year, so quite a bit down the list. But it's still a great time. We had some really solid performances from RynoVelo. Our women's team won, awesome. Our men's team was 4th, which is still good. Like I said, we kind of had maybe a smaller squad than normal, but we got it done. So Elise and I went over there, so it was really cool to see her race as well, and I think she had a good time, and she's able to rock the WR, and so that's exciting. And we ended up coming back after I grabbed a quick swim in Davenport, and then got another ride in that night, and then this morning, Sunday, went and did a swim meet over at the Wellmark YMCA. So 800 meters, I did not put myself on a time, so I was actually in the slower heat, but made it work. I swam 10:17. I did want to be under 10, and I did want to potentially be closer to 9:30, but I woke up sore. I guess I'm just going to list off my excuses here. And then there's no competition really, and yeah, other than that, I just needed to swim faster. So next time around, we're just going to click up the tempo and get after it. Yeah, that's where we're sitting right now. Getting ready to do a bike ride and then probably a little run later. And we're going to do a slightly longer ride with some efforts, and so that'll be good to get outside for. It's a beautiful day, and so that'll be, again, fun. It's a lot of fun right now, I guess. We're enjoying training, so you'll hear me say that a lot. Hopefully it doesn't get too annoying, but that's it for now. I'm gonna probably pop back to a workout video from this week. On Tuesday, we had our tune-up. This is kind of a workout that I've been doing every few weeks, where it's a mile harder, and then we have some 200s that are 200 on at, like, normally it would be around 35, and then off, or float rather, at 45. This week was closer to that 37 and closer to that 50 mark, and so a little bit slower, but I did 4 of those, and then I did 4 cut down 200s, and we're getting there slowly but surely. It'll be here before I know it. I'll be in fitness again, and I just gotta be patient with it and keep checking off the boxes. So without further ado, let's check out Tuesday's workout.